Let's make the best blueberry muffins. In the mixing bowl, combine sugar, brown sugar, flour, and butter. Mix everything up and set aside. Next, in a small pot, add blueberries, sugar, and water. Bring it to a gentle boil and boil it for 10 minutes, then let it cool. In the mixing bowl, combine flour, baking powder, and salt. Give it a good stir and set aside. Next, in a different bowl, add sugar and eggs. Whisk everything up. While whisking, add oil and melted butter, followed by buttermilk and vanilla extract. Whisk everything up. Then add flour mixture and fold it in with a spatula. After, add blueberries and fold those in. Next, divide the batter between 12 muffin cups and add blueberry sauce over the top. Swirl it with a toothpick and add the crumbs. Bake for about 17 to 19 minutes and voila, the blueberry muffins are ready to be eaten. They always turn out super scrumptious. I can't wait for you to try this recipe. Bye!